Good morning, everyone, and it is actually 10 a.m. I just woke up a little bit. Let's have fun today. Today is Tuesday, which means it's going to be a wonderful, great day full of tomfoolery-ishness. Maybe 2 eggs? No, I need 2 eggs. Please don't spill them on the ground. Mixing up the eggs. Can you like mix them in the shell? We'll see after this when they come out. I didn't scramble in the shell. See? Sad. Okay. This might seem like a big pan, and it is, but it's the only one I have, so I'm gonna use that. Boom, 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 boom. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Some basil. Does basil go here? I don't know. Check on the toast. The toast is doing just fine. Pip, pip, Cheerio. In case you didn't know, that's how you make scrambled eggs. Avocados are so expensive here, like why? I don't know. Great, we'll see. Oh, not. Oh wow, okay, I should start using this. Let's go enjoy the first avocado toast. That's better.
Lucky us, we get to go out looking for some strange happy V-Day plans. Hello. Look, Jester, you're gonna need a map of Arizona. I can get that in a
video, of course, and they said like these Newton Windsor inks are really good for like lining your watercolor before you paint them so it doesn't bleed. And that's what I used for this one. And I have like little nibs right here. So I'm like trying to get good at it.
I just love the packaging,
right? Isn't it so cute? And then this is what like a little bottle looks like. It's the cutest thing.
Oh my god, I
Alright guys, I'm actually really excited to be filming here and showing you guys this art store. I go here probably around once a week, if not every other week, and I am obsessed. You can get so many different things here, from spray paints to stamps to wooden projects to bracelets. There are puzzles, paintbrushes, all sorts of different colored pencils, watercolors, watercolor palettes, you name it. I got quite a few of my sketchbooks here, and each time I go, I actually have to fight myself internally to not get another sketchbook. I was not able to actually film everything in this store. The store is actually really huge, so I do suggest that if you have time or you are in Korea, you should go to this art store. But I did want to kind of quickly talk about one of my other favorite aisles at the store. It is actually the Japanese and Chinese calligraphy area. I see a lot of these Japanese watercolor palettes, or even the dust, or I don't even really know what it's called, the chalk or the color that you can grind up and mash up to actually make the paint. I see a lot of it on some of the YouTube videos that I watch. I'm actually really interested, and one day I want to give it a try. I heard that one really popular store people are getting these items from is called Choosing Keeping, and I really want to test them out. But Choosing Keeping and all the videos about Choosing Keeping inspired me to actually go into this aisle and use the calligraphy brushes for watercolor and all that stuff. So I did really want to show you guys this because I know you can order a lot of this online. However, it is pretty pricey. It is also kind of pricey at the express bus terminal. However, if you get like one of these small little vials of color, instead of it being like $260, it's like 3,000 won, which is about $3 in USD. So I did want to show you guys this. This is also the aisle where the inks are and all that stuff. So yeah, really wanted to kind of talk about that. guys, so I'm finally back in my apartment after shopping and meeting with Carrie. So I thought I would show you guys what I got at the art supply store that I showed earlier in my video. All in all, everything was like, it wasn't expensive. I think my most expensive thing was, let's see here. Oh my gosh, everything was actually on sale, so this is pretty amazing. The most expensive thing was my ink and then the little tray that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that really quick. And I'll share the prices. If I can read this, it's all in Korean and my Korean is horrible. But the total came out to $32, less than USD, I guess. But the first things that I'm going to show you guys are these brushes that I got for my watercoloring. This one was $4. It's just like a typical, I can like unbox it for you. It's just your typical, I got this in the Japanese calligraphy, or the Chinese or Japanese calligraphy section, because I saw in a lot of videos that these brushes, let's see, can you see them? Are really good to use for not just for calligraphy, but for very like specific or detailed points. And I have this one, which I saw, there's this really amazing artist. I cannot pronounce his name on YouTube, but it's like Kellogg's Loops, something like that. I can show you later. But he, I believe maybe him or somebody else, he always, I can't remember who it is, but I always follow him. So that's the reason why I got some of these brushes. So this one I believe was $2. It's just a normal flat brush. I saw someone using one like this to kind of fan out the color for more of a gradient look or more of a blended look. And I have two more Japanese style calligraphy pens. This one was kind of expensive. Oh wait, maybe this was the most expensive one. This one was $6.80. Better for putting more color down or holding a lot of water. And this one was $3.60. Okay, and these are the brushes that I got. So the total of the brushes I believe were 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, about 18,000 won. So pretty good. Then I also got this one. I have a watercolor notebook that I kind of just do sketches in, but here I saw these. This is the Canson, hopefully I'm saying that right, the Canson made in France watercoloring pages. They're kind of like the, what do you call it? They're cold pressed, 140 pound weight, whatever. I'm so bad at the titles or so bad at the naming, but yeah, so this is the one that I got. And this way I can just kind of do random sketches, and if I want to like hang them up in my room or give them to people, this will be really useful. Let's see here. I believe this one was pretty cheap. I think it was only like $4. Then I got some Winsor & Newton ink. I have been using their ink actually for a while. I already have their black ink and I have their gold ink. Can you see it? Yeah, this is their white ink, which is pretty exciting because I like seeing people add like white little strokes to their painting, and it just makes it come alive. So yeah, it comes in like a little bottle like that, and I use a little ink pen to kind of dip in and do that. And then the last thing that I got, pretty exciting in my opinion, this, let's see here, porcelain paint tray that you can use to, like, you know, mix your paints or whatever you need to do. So I'm so excited. So this is the porcelain paint tray that I got. This was surprisingly pretty cheap. This was only 7,000 won, so only about $7. And it's heavy, it's hefty, and I'm really excited to use this. So yes, that is what I got. So I'm really excited to start using this stuff. I think that's gonna be it for the video today, guys. The last thing I'm going to be doing is just trying out my palette that I made, which you'll see in the next video. And I am going to be painting a little bit. Yeah, but that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you thumbs up, you like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for when I post next time. So yeah, Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys next time.